Big congratulations to my classmates for the program. A round of applause for yourself. Congratulations, guys. And of course, I'd like to thank the teacher, our beloved Ma'am Milky, for giving us this chance to show our talent, to showcase our talents, and at the same time applying what we know. And of course, I'd like to thank our guest judge, Miss Jehan Duhalong. Alright. Thank you for being here, ma'am, and for providing life to the party.
Yeah. Thank you,
And
ma'am.
finally, before the last presentation of the day, I'd like to offer a tribute to Ma'am Milky, our beloved teacher.
Uwi kayo ba?
Nakikilak, mama.
Nisayang. Di ba ginana ba? Dili kay ko dali mahilak. Naguna. Mag-video sa ko ha. Nani sa Facebook. Ga-video ka?
Ma'am Milky, India gives a heartfelt thanks
You're welcome.
for your
Thank you.
teaching, for teaching us HRM1, and of course, for being strict. We thank you for being strict so that we can learn properly. So, India loves you and would like you to continue being who you are and your approach in teaching us. So, from India, a big
Dankeschön.
thank you. Thank you, ma'am.